Hello students, we are thrilled to have you on our YouTube channel. Today's video serves as a step-by-step guide to course registration for the University of Bamenda and the University of Boya students utilizing the Gold Student application. You begin by signing into your account and navigating to the course registration section. Start by registering your major courses. Subsequently, proceed to register your minor courses by selecting the appropriate faculty, department, and level. Following that, you will register for elective courses in a similar manner. Don't forget to enroll into the required courses, that is, French, English, Civics and Ethics, and Sports, by choosing a group, date, and time that are suitable to your school schedule. Finally, review your registered courses, which includes your major, minor, elective, and university requirements. To download your registered courses, simply scroll to the bottom of the registered courses page to find the download option or access form B located next to the course registration tab, where you can also download your full course list. So this brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on our YouTube channel.